We didn't pass the river coming in.
Yeah, I know. But at least we can follow it down. It may take a little longer, but it'll lead us back to civilization just the same. Sara, hey, careful, hey. Hey, get back in there, come on. Jesus. Hey, come on. Get away from there, come on.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
We were walking that way.
No, we weren't.
Yes, we were. 2 minutes ago, we were walking that way, and now you're leading me back the way we came.
No, Sara. We're following the river down, remember? We're not climbing the mountain. Down. Water flows down. See?